Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Mastery Academy. 2-point charges minus 2q and plus q are fixed in place as shown in the setup below. Now consider a third charge minus q which can be placed in any of the regions A, B, C or D. In which region can the third charge be placed so that the net force acting on it is zero? Region A, B, C, or D? Which one? To answer it, I have shown the charges by different colors. The third charge is shown by blue. The charge of blue and red have the same sign. That means they repel each other. And the charge blue and green have opposite signs. That means they attract each other. The magnitude of these two vectors can be found by Coulomb's law. And as we can see, the distance between blue and red is much smaller than the distance between blue and green. And also, the red has 2q charge. That means we can't find any location in region A in which these two vectors can cancel each other. In other words, region A is not correct. Now let's focus on region B. The repulsive force between red and blue is this vector, and the attractive force between blue and green gives us a vector in the same direction. That means these two vectors cannot cancel out and get zero net force. In other words, region B is not correct. Also, no matter where we place this blue charge between red and green charges, in all locations between these two, we get non-zero force acting on the third charge. That means the region C is not correct either. Now let's focus on region D. The repulsive force between blue and red is to the right, and the attractive force between blue and green is to the left. And the magnitude of these two vectors again can be found by Coulomb's law. As we can see, R is much greater than L. Also, the vectors, the force vectors, are in opposite direction. This means that we can find a location that these two vectors can cancel out and we get zero net force. In other words, the region D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.